does come. Mark plays his hand, and sure enough, within 10 seconds, a huge fish is hooked, and the battle commences.
No, don't rush it, don't rush it, don't rush it, don't rush it, don't rush it.
This time. That's it, this time.
I've got her, I've got her, I've got her.
You got her? You got her? You must have her.
Yeah.
Yes! Oh, man!
It is one major carp. Tell you what, this could be the biggest fish
Ever caught
on a floater in the UK.
Good get on, mate. 61.
What?
61 pound 4 ounce.
Mate, let's get this sorted. That is the biggest fish ever caught on a floater in this country. Incredible.
I am the luckiest man in the world.